Hey everyone! Today, we're going to show you how to properly set stop loss and take profit levels in TopstepX so we can trade safely and meet funding rules without breaking risk limits. Once we log into the TopstepX platform, we'll open the chart for our active future contract. To place a trade, we'll click Buy Market or Sell Market, depending on our direction. Before confirming the order, we'll open the Bracket Order panel. This is where we can add our stop loss and take profit. For stop loss, we'll enter the number of ticks or price distance from our entry where we want to exit if the trade goes against us. For take profit, we'll set the level we want to capture profits at. TopstepX allows us to save these settings as templates, which is great if you want consistent risk ratios like 1:2 or 1:3. After entering both values, we'll click Submit Order, and the system will automatically attach both brackets to the position. On the chart, we'll see two lines, one for stop and one for target, and we can drag them to adjust levels precisely. This helps us stay within top step risk parameters and avoid hitting the daily loss limit. The great part about setting these before the trade runs is that we remove emotional decision making and trade purely based on plan. Once either line is hit, the other cancels automatically. This keeps our account safe, disciplined, and professional, which is crucial for passing and maintaining funded status. This has been how to literally keep things smart and simple and scam-free.